This video will walk you through how to properly assemble the Rubbermaid Commercial Products full-size housekeeping cart. The assembly will be broken down into 18 key steps. Please note, you'll follow these same steps when assembling the compact housekeeping cart, although you will only need to assemble one shelf. Before beginning, you will need the following items to assemble the housekeeping cart. Use the included instruction sheet along with the video to help with part identification. You will also need the following tools to properly assemble the housekeeping cart. Step 1. Using a cordless drill and a P2 bit with a magnetic adapter, install the reinforcement bars into both shelves using 2 screws and 2 washers. Step 2. Using a cordless drill and a P2 bit with a magnetic adapter, install the handle cap using 6 of the screws provided. Step 3. Using a cordless drill, half-inch socket, and drill adapter, install 2 bumpers with 2 hex head bolts and 2 barrel bolts. Use the included metal shim to prevent the bumper from binding with the cart, which would prevent it from freely spinning. If needed, back the bolt off slightly. Step 4. Using a cordless drill, half-inch socket, and a drill adapter, lay the platform upside down and partially install all 5 casters using only lag screws. Please note, 3 of the casters go on the non-vacuum rack end of the base, while 2 go on the vacuum rack side. For ease, use the carriage bolts as locators and alignment guides. Step 5. Install the vacuum rack with the 2 other bumpers. Step 6. Flip the platform over and install 2 barrel bolts for the vacuum rack using a cordless drill with a P3 bit. The shim included can be used to help prevent bumper binding. Step 7. Position the 2 back panels in a V shape, ensuring the inner tabs align opposite to one another. Then, close and lock the panels together to form a single back panel. Step 8. Align the panel ridges with the ridge insert area in the cart and insert in place. Step 9. Assemble the 2 side panels onto the cart. For a correct fit, be sure to align the back panels with side panels. Step 10. Insert all of the carriage bolts as locators. Be sure to leave them installed for use later in Step 15. Step 11. Using a cordless drill, a half-inch socket, and a drill adapter, install 4 of the lag screws and washers provided. Step 12. Install both shelves into the cart, ensuring that the shelf tab is aligned with the rib of the side panel. Step 13. Assemble the top and install onto the cart body, ensuring that the side panel tabs are aligned with all 4 of the cart's top pockets and that the back panel tabs align with all 6 of the cart's top pockets. Step 14. Once the top is assembled, install the 4 lag screws and washers using a socket wrench with half-inch sockets. Step 15. Lay the cart on its long side and using a cordless drill with half-inch socket and drill adapter, install the 8 corresponding lock nuts. You may also need to use an extender and mallet for perfect assembly. Step 16. Install the trash bag using the hook and grommet attachment as shown in the close-up here. Step 17. Install 2 trash liner retainer bars. Step 18. Finally, insert 5 stick good holders and 1 vacuum holder into slots on cart.